Bam, bam. What's up? It's Lauren from Hot for Food, and I'm back with episode 3 of the easy grain bowl ideas that I've been showcasing here on the channel for the last couple of weeks. You've seen me make a breakfast bowl, which was the vegan BLTA bowl with the vegan soft boiled egg. Then we did a lunch idea, which was vegan tuna poke with an avocado wasabi dressing. And now we're on to dinner time. I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan chicken shawarma bowl. It's so hearty and delicious. It's got farro as the grain, and we did a maple tahini dressing, which you may have come to know and love from Hot for Food because I have it on the blog. We just made a slight little modification to it. Lots of Greek style veggies, tomato, cucumber, olives. It's so delicious. I'm so excited to show you how to make the chicken shawarma because it's so easy and so tasty. So let's just get started. We're gonna make the vegan chicken shawarma with soy curls or TVP. So you're gonna place them into a large bowl and cover with water to hydrate for about 10 minutes. Then use your hands to squeeze out the moisture from the soy curls and reserve 1 teaspoon of the residual water and drain the rest. In another bowl, you're gonna add that little bit of reserved water, some vegan beef bouillon paste, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, granulated garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, dried oregano, turmeric, ground black pepper, and vegetable oil. Then you're gonna whisk this together until it's well combined. Then add the drained soy curls and use your hands to coat the curls really evenly in all of this paste. Place the soy curls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 15 to 20 minutes in an oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And definitely flip these halfway through baking to roast the other side. We're gonna make a tabbouleh with kale, so add some lemon juice, red pepper flakes, and sea salt in a large bowl. Then add finely chopped kale and massage this really well with your hands to get it wilted. Then you can add in fresh parsley, mint, and green onion. Give this a good toss to combine it really well. To make the maple tahini dressing, you're gonna use a blender and add roasted tahini, water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, garlic powder, and sea salt, and blend it until it's really smooth. To put together your vegan chicken shawarma bowl, you're gonna place about a cup of farro into the bowl per serving. Then add the kale tabbouleh. Then top with the rest of your veggies and the vegan chicken shawarma. You're gonna drizzle with some of the maple tahini dressing and then garnish with whole fresh mint leaves. Oh yeah, look at that vegan chicken shawarma bowl. I am most excited, I think, to dig into this one. I mean, all the grain bowls have been awesome, but this one just like, this chicken shawarma, so good. Guys, it's gonna fool you. The pickled onions are a recipe in the Hot for Food cookbook, Vegan Comfort Classics. If you don't have the book yet, I don't know what you're doing, but if you do and you haven't made them, get on it because you can put them in anything. I use them in the cookbook. I use them in the banh mi bowl and in the jackfruit, the pulled jackfruit sandwiches. But you should just have them in the fridge all the time. Also, big fan of fresh mint in things like this, like with the Mediterranean style, you know, ingredients and whatnot. But you don't have to put it in there if you don't want. I'm about to get lost in this. It's so good. Okay. If you want to make this gluten-free, don't use farro. Use quinoa, rice, buckwheat. Farro's not gluten-free. But it's so fluffy and chewy. New favorite grain. All right, just let me have one more bite, okay? You could even do a wrap, okay? Without the grain. You could, if you want to put in a pita, whatever. Okay, y'all, the recipe for this is in the description below, linked to hotforfoodblog.com. The other easy grain bowl ideas are also there, the VBLTA with the vegan egg and the vegan tuna poke bowl. Everything's on the blog, also tons more recipes for free are there, and if you're looking for even more next level vegan comfort food, check out the cookbook, obviously. Also, I don't know if you're aware of this, but I'm working on a second cookbook. That's correct, I signed the publishing deal. It's all happening, but not coming out until February 2021. Way in the future, but you know how fast time's gonna fly? It's gonna be crazy. In the meantime, I'll still be here every Wednesday on the Hot for Food YouTube channel. I hope you'll be here too, along for the whole ride. So subscribe if you're not already. I'm here every Wednesday releasing new content. I have another YouTube channel, Lauren Toyota, Lauren in Real Life, where I vlog. I show my travels, what I eat when I travel as a vegan, what I eat in a day at home or, you know, on the go. So go check that out as well and subscribe to that channel. I think that's about it. Yeah, there's nothing really else to say. This is delicious. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments. Which bowl was your favorite, the breakfast, the lunch, or the dinner? Of course, you could eat any of them at any time of the day. It doesn't really matter. No rules over here, folks. Okay, I'll see you next week. Love you all. Bye-bye. Cut.